Most often, if not every time, whenever someone contacts us for business advisory or digital transformation support, I ask them what kind of activities or initiatives have you done in the past or currently doing, if any. Usually the answer is, oh, we spent about X rupees in the last 3 months or 1 year. Stopped it as there weren't any outcomes. Though, as a small business owner, I can completely empathize that there has been a spend on some without any returns or not satisfactory ones. It is not about whether you spent it right or wrong. That's a topic for a different time. But for now, I am talking about a total shift in your approach. As entrepreneurs, business owners, I ask you to start using the word invest rather than spend. Technically, spend is a correct from a financial standpoint, but as a business owner, you are actually investing in your business. It is a mindset change that every entrepreneur or business owner need to have. We always look at investing as a process of buying an asset like real estate, gold, stocks, shares, etc. Investing in the business is the last thing that comes to most small business owners' mind. That's because you are not looking at investing in your business as an investment, but as a spend. The outcome of the investment can be either nothing or phenomenal or average returns. But you are investing in your business. You need to invest in your business. Only when you get your thought process right, that's when you can expect your business to take off. Or if you are having dwindling revenues, without this mindset, and especially in these challenging times, you might be making your business unsustainable. Now you tell me, seriously, have you been investing in your business? Meaning giving it more or higher importance than those investments that you have made? If you have not, then how can you expect great returns from your business? If this is the last on your priority to invest, how can you anticipate amazing results out of your so-called spend? I'm not certainly saying that you have not invested in your business. Every small and medium business owner, of course, every entrepreneur has been spending or investing in their business through their sweat and blood. But the key point I am trying to make here is the way you will need to prioritize your investments. Investments are risky, and if you aren't willing to take the risk, then not to worry. But it will be unreasonable to expect great returns when you hardly have taken risks in your business. So, are you ready to start looking at investing in your business from today? Opportunities galore. It is up to you to analyze, invest in the right areas, seek direction from experts on your growth strategy and tactics, and build your entity step by step. Happy investing in your business.